My name's Aroni, and I just wanted to give my review on the Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali, and just let you guys know the difference that it's made in my knowledge in regards to trading. I currently work in hospitality 6 days a week, which means no time for my family, zero time with my child, zero time with my husband. And I knew I needed to come up with a way to have more time for them. I needed to come up with a way where I can be my own boss and work on my own terms. And I came across trading a few years ago. I started reading a lot of books, watching videos on YouTube, and just a short while ago I came across Forex Beginners Academy, and I decided to give it a shot. I decided to give the course a shot, and I cannot begin to explain to you the difference it's made with regards to my knowledge in trading. Things that I never really understood before, like Fibonacci and support and resistance, exponential moving averages, things that I never really understood before, I finally understand now after doing this course. And Saad does it with TradingView, where you get to analyze the charts, you get to really look into the technical part of reading a chart, and things that I never really knew before. I had no idea how to read a chart before, and I can now. And I think what's helped me a lot is that you become part of a private group where you can post your charts, and you can ask any questions, and everybody's there to help. It's like a little community where people are there to help you, they answer your questions, but most importantly, every single chart that you post, Saad provides feedback. And every single post that I put on that group, Saad has given me feedback on everything. And that's the thing with Forex. I think you need mentorship besides learning, and Saad's provided that. And I can't begin to thank him enough for creating a platform where people just like me who want to get out of the mundane of working 9 to 5 and working weekends and not having time with their families can start to make a life for themselves and start to be their own boss and work on their own terms. And I just want to say, Saad, you're awesome. Thanks so much for creating this platform for us. And I'm so excited for my future. I'm so excited for where I'm going in the Forex trading industry. And thanks again. Bye.